how to download and install Angel One on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the popular Angel One application on iOS in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now in the search bar, type in Angel One and search. In the search result, look for the Angel One Stocks Mutual Funds application from Angel One Limited. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on the Get or the cloud icon to start downloading the app on your iOS device. Wait for the application to install. Angel One app is a simple and straightforward way to manage your investments, track stocks, and stay updated on financial news. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button. Now, go ahead and enter your mobile number and get an OTP, and you can get inside the app and start exploring and investing. You can check the market trends, track stocks, buy and sell shares, or explore various investment options available in the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.